This is video 2.3, and we are going to finish up modeling Nathan's savings on this video. I am going to put my cursor in cell B2 and finish off this initial condition. We know that in week 0, Nathan receives a gift of $5. So there's the initial condition in the first row of your table right here. And we also know that Nathan receives $2 a week for an allowance. So in order to model that, we are going to write a formula that adds 2 to the contents of each cell preceding it. And we've seen how to do that with the weeks by adding 1. So you basically do the same thing here. You signal to Excel that you're writing a formula. You put an equal sign in cell B3. And then you reference cell B2. You want to add 2 to the 5 in cell B2. So you reference cell B2, and then you add 2. There's your formula. So that formula is going to add 2 to 5 to give you 7. Once again, put your cursor in the lower right-hand corner of cell B3. That's the cell that has the formula in it. Hold your mouse down and drag. And you've just generated the savings, Nathan's savings, for the first 9 weeks of his savings. Now, I want to show you something that's really useful on Excel. You can, if you want to, you don't have to drag down the columns one at a time. Here I am at the bottom, week 9, and I'm going to select both of these cells, the one with 9 and 23 in it, and I'm going to put my cursor in the lower right-hand corner of the column B cell. If you want, you can drag down both cells simultaneously. So you can see I've dragged down to week 34, and in week 34 you can see that Nathan has $73. We're going to go back up, scroll back up. When your tables get this big, this is also a useful item to have. Put your cursor in cell A2, and I'm going to show you how to freeze these headings so you can continue to see the headings. And the way to do that on this Mac is you go to the pull-down window that says Window, and you go to the option to freeze panes. And when you do that, you'll notice that a little split develops between rows 1 and 2. But now when you scroll down, you'll notice that you can still see the weeks and savings headings, and this enables you to see what the weeks and savings are no matter how far down you scroll. So this is a useful item, especially when you have a spreadsheet that goes down for hundreds or even hundreds and hundreds of rows. Okay, so make sure that you can do all of this on your version of Excel, and I'm going to end this video right here.